Hey, it's Melissa with WTI, and if you have a cowboy that needs somewhere to hang his hat, well, then you have to check out this HYDERMUS Cowboy Hat Rack. You won't be disappointed. I really love the sleek design with the elements of walnut and the metal, the black metal. It's so pretty together. And I also really like that they used an arrow element because it goes so well with our decor. And we really enjoy having it in our bedroom and to be able to display my husband's hat. He's also thrilled that there's 3 different spots for hats. He only has 1 currently, but he's already shopping for 2 more to decorate our hat rack. But when I looked at the instructions, I was pleased because it was really easy to put together. It didn't take long at all. It takes up so much less space too. When I looked at the size of his hat box when he first brought it home, I thought, where are we going to put that? I really think that you're going to enjoy this hat rack too, and that's my point of view.